嘅導遊語言。祝大家今日喺森林河流之旅玩得開心，仲有。
Come forward, please. You may sit around in the middle as well. After some VIP seats, view is perfect. We may not be back. Welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. I'm your skipper, Mickey. Hello, everyone. And your tour guide as well. For your friendly reminder, this is a water one. You may get wet. Please take good care of your electronic devices. Also, your arms, legs, please keep inside in the boat. Last one, water children. Let's go. Wow, can you see a crocodile up there? Oh, don't come to here and bite my balls. Okay, turn to your right hand side. Do you know what is it? That is the treehouse of Tyson. If you want to visit him, you may take the raft at your left hand side. But now he's on holiday, maybe visiting next time. Don't try to swim there. There's many crocodiles under this river. Okay, now we are on the world's longest river adventure. It's over 4,000 miles. But don't worry, I know shortcuts. Oh yeah, that's two animals waiting for us. Do you know? They are Mother Elephant and Baby Elephant. She's trying to teach him how to use his trunk to spray water. Hello, Baby Elephant, you're so lovely. Keep your hard working then. Now turn to your right hand side. This is Brother Elephant. He's taking a shower under the waterfall. So enjoyable, right? But don't take too long. So many wrinkles already. Oh wow, one more. It's Daddy Elephant. He's counting. Woohoo! Hello, Daddy Elephant. How are you? What are you doing? One more time. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Oh, just joking. Don't worry. Oh, I got lost. Where are we? It's over 1,000 years temple. Can you see the giant spider there? It's the largest one in the world. And 2 more at your front. Oh, they can jump over 20 feet. What's the last one? Oh, at your right hand side. And this is the Galassu temple, god of elephants hair, and the 2 crosses, which is the protector. Come on, this one at your left hand side. This is the king crosses. It can move really fast and pointless as well. Okay, until now, anyone want to turn back? I don't think so. You look so great. Then we come to crocodile swim. Oh, do you think they're napping? Not really. They're so hungry. 2 more on your left hand side. We may call them reptile, right? But they're just for us dinner. Right. Okay, now we're going to find Professor Potter and Jake. They campsite there. Let me see. Oh no, they forgot to shut the door. Gonna break your videos and make everything messy. Wow! Where I gonna? Let's go. Oh, no, gonna let's go. So dangerous here. That's the move on. Okay, now we come to African grassland. What kind of animals can you see? Like zebra and a giraffe, and this is African elephant. Do you know the difference between male and female zebra? Okay, male is white with black stripes, and female is black with white stripes. Well, this elephant is the second most kidnapped. Oh, this is number 1. His mother-in-law there. Okay, now we're going to find hippo. This is hippo food. Don't think they're so lovely. They're over 6,000 pounds gracious. See how big they are. Wow, they can buy 5 bones and 1 more at the left hand side. And if you smell it, I'm sorry because he don't brush his teeth. Some explorers, they're too weird to jump into the river. And now they're over there.
My brother is over there.
Hold tight.
My brother. Come down.
Wow, little bit strange here. So many scouts on the stick. It's the headhunter territories. Okay, now we go there silently. Don't let them to know. Anyway, use your arms to protect your head. I'm not sure they're here or not. Don't be feared, they can smell. Shh. Okay, then we all sing. Okay, time to move back to the door after these two shots. And now, move back to the door, move forward, boys, go, go, go. Oh, no, what a big button here. Wow. Turn this way now. Here is the canyon of gold, protected by gold of fire waters. Now let's get there, and we are trapped here. We can't move forward and backward. Wow. Wow, fire everywhere. So funny. We need the roses of altitude in here.
We're here. Yun lang.
Ooh, and they just give us a civic bomb, right? Hey, I heard some sound over there. Who's it? It is baby elephant. He's trying to say goodbye to us. We can say goodbye, baby. You're so lovely. I keep your hand working man. Okay, after you're waving out, please keep your hands and arms inside my boat. Again, hands, lift the gray area, please. Okay, and please visit her. Time to move.